Good morning, friends. I am coming with vector or cross product. Look here, it is A cross B. First of all, try to understand the definition. Let A and B be two non-zero or non-parallel vectors. Then the vector product A cross B in that order is defined as a vector whose magnitude is AB sine theta, where theta is the angle between A and B and whose direction is perpendicular to the plane of A and B. Now look here. This is the right hand thumb rule. One vector is on this side, other is on this side, and the resultant, that is the cross product, is perpendicular to both of them. It is right-handed system. It is the right-handed system. That is thumb rule, right-hand thumb rule. So, in other words, A cross B can be written as magnitude of A into magnitude of B sine theta and n cap. N cap means perpendicular, normal. So, the result is always on this side. On this side. When you give a turn to the screw, it goes like this. So, it goes up. Theta is the angle between A and B, and n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to the vectors. Now, the formula is A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta, n cap. Now, I have a mnemonic for this. Cross product, CP. These are the magnitudes of A and B, they are scalars. This is the product of the scalars. Sine theta, n cap. Now the mnemonic becomes like this. CP, Commissioner of Police, goes to police station, PS, police station, meets the sinner, theta, wearing n cap, wearing n cap. Remember it like this. Again, I'll repeat it. Cross product CP is equal to PS sine theta n cap. Now the mnemonic is CP, Commissioner of Police, goes to police station, meets the sinner, theta, wearing n cap. बहुत बड़ा मामला है, तभी कमिश्नर जा रहा है. डॉट प्रोडक्ट में एसपी साहब जाते हैं पुलिस स्टेशन. So I told you in my previous video that SP is equal to PS cos theta. Here A cross B is equal to AB sin theta n cap, because it is always perpendicular. N stands for normal. It is a unit vector. N cap. It is the normal, perpendicular. So this was the definition. Now let us go further. Vector product in terms of components. Vector product in terms of components. Let A is equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. It is 3D. Vector B is B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. So these are the components. Components of A are A1, A2, A3. Components of B are B1, B2, B3. Now, then the cross product A cross B is equal to determinant. So these are the basically two lines. A1, A2, A3. First line, this is B1, B2, B3. Second line, since it is a vector, so it will be in terms of ijk. So always write ijk first line, then the two vectors, components of the two vectors, and make it a determinant. On solving, we get the result. Now, mnemonic is like this: cross product of two vectors means determinant. If they are 3 by 3, then it is 3 by 3. So remember this in this way: cross product of two vectors means determinant of 3 by 3. Now let us go further. Properties of cross product. Property number 1, A cross B is a vector. I told you in my previous video also, cross product is a vector. And in definition also, I have defined it is a vector. Now A cross B will be 0 when A and B are parallel or collinear. When they are parallel or collinear, theta is 0 or theta is pi. So sin theta will be 0, or in case of when theta is 0, when theta is pi, again sin theta will be 0. So it will become, the result will come 0. So A cross B is 0 when the two vectors are either parallel or collinear. Now when theta is pi by 2, look here, then A cross B will be equal to AB sin theta n cap. थीटा की जगह पाई बाई 2 लगा दीजिए, n cap. So it will be AB n cap. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Now let us try to multiply the basic unit vectors. As you know, the basic unit vectors are I, J, K. Write it in the circular form. So I into J is equal to K, because I and J, they are 90 degree. Sin 90 will be 1. Only K will remain. The magnitude of the unit vector is 1, 1. J into K. J और K के बाद क्या आएगा देखिए, J और K के बाद आता है I. So it becomes I. और K और I के बाद देखिए K, I, J, it becomes J. So you have to write it in the circular form. Again I will repeat it. I into J is K, J into K is I, K into I is J. Let us go further. Property number 5. A cross B is AB sin theta n cap. Now take this magnitude here, A and B, product of the scalar, you take it here. It will be sin theta n cap. Take the magnitude. It will be sin theta. Magnitude of n cap is 1. So whenever we want to find the angle between two vectors with the help of cross product, the formula is magnitude of A cross B divided by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Now let us go to property number 6. We know that A cross B is AB sin theta n cap. What happens? B cross A. B cross A. Here this n will come down. So it will become minus. If it is plus, then this is minus. So n will be of minus sign. So it will be b a sine theta n cap, but it will be minus because the direction has changed to the lower side. Property number 7. Area of triangle is half into base into height. In this case, this is the triangle. This is A and this vector is B. Theta is the angle between A and B. So BC is your B cross AD. AD, look here, this is the perpendicular height. So this over this is sine theta. So this will be equal to A sine theta. Take its magnitude. It will become half AB sine theta. And angle between the perpendicular and the base is 90 degrees. So sine theta will become 1. So it will be half into A cross B. Area of parallelogram, we know it is 2 into area of triangle. So area of parallelogram will be AB sine theta, because 1 by 2 will be cancelled up. This 2 will cancel the 1 by 2. A cross B, magnitude of A cross B will be AB sine theta n cap. Take its magnitude. A cross B का magnitude, it is the determinant. I have already discussed. Cross product means determinant. So let us go further. Let us take some examples. Example number 1. Find the area of parallelogram whose adjacent sides are given by the vectors A and B. Now we know that we have recently discussed the area of parallelogram is A cross B means determinant. So firstly write Iijk, then 3, 1, 4, this is there, 1, minus 1, 1, coefficients. So right here. Solve this, we get 5i plus j minus 4k. Now, so area of parallelogram is magnitude of this, and magnitude you know, it will be under root 5 square, 1 square, minus 4 square, that is 16. So it will be under root 42. Let us go to example number 2. Find the, let the vectors A and B be such that magnitude of A is 3, magnitude of B is root 2 by 3, and A cross B is a unit vector. Then find the angle between them. Now, we know that A cross B is a unit vector. It is given here. It is a unit vector. Then A cross B is equal to 1. Its magnitude is 1. So A cross B is equal to AB sine theta. We have taken the magnitude. N cap, magnitude of n cap is 1. We have not written it. So A cross B is given as 1. A, B, they are also given. Find only sine theta. So sine theta comes 1 over root 2, theta will be 45 degree. Let us go to the last one. Find a unit vector perpendicular to each of these two vectors, A plus B and A minus B. A and B are given. Firstly find A plus B. When we find A plus B, A is given as I plus J plus K. This is A. This is B. It is I plus 2J plus 3K. The answer comes 2I plus 3J plus 4K. Similarly, find A minus B. It comes minus J minus 2K. So let us find the cross product. Cross product is determinant. Ijk always there. Then write the components of the first vector 2, 3, 4. Write the components of the second vector. Since I is not there, take it 0. 0, minus 1, 2, minus 2. 0, minus 1, minus 2. The answer comes here, minus 2i plus 4j minus 2k. Let us say this is vector C. So we want to find the unit vector of this C. So it will be vector divided by its magnitude. Vector is this and its magnitude is under root 2 square, 2 square, 4 square, 2 square. So we get this answer. So it is how we have to go with the questions on cross product. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Thank you. God bless you.